Oh my goodness me, this is really cool and I think you're going to love it. I have created 2 new photography guides, and although it might sound not too modest, I really think they're awesome. The first guide, Photography 101, is a comprehensive photography course where you will be able to learn everything you need to improve your photography skills. We will talk about exposure, histogram, metering, composition, literally everything you need to get started or to get better. But as you very well know, only part of the work is done with your camera. The rest happens at the desk. So my second guide, Lightroom 101, is dedicated to post-processing your images in Lightroom. And also in this guide, we will go through the complete processing workflow, from importing and organizing your images to developing and exporting them to any social media platform. But you might wonder, what is the point to have these new photography guides when we have YouTube? I think it's a fair question. And as much as I love YouTube, sometimes it can be frustrating to find the right video or to find the right piece of information within that video when you need it. My new photography guides are extremely convenient to use. As a matter of fact, you will have access to table of contents, to transcripts and videos anytime, anywhere. There are captions and translations in almost any language. 99% of the time will not be your last camera. So I strongly
À peine utiliser l'appareil photo et les objectifs sont.
But what is really special and incredible is how easy it is to search for the right information and get to it in seconds. Basically, you can just ask me what you want to know, and I'm going to tell you.
Color profile.
The right color profile. By default, I am launching these guides today. And since you are good people, and you are, because you are subscribed to my channel, for the first week, starting today, I'm offering a special discount on the bundle deal. And with less than $13, both guides can be yours forever. What do you think? Well, if you are interested, check out the link in the description below.